In this video, we will learn to integrate cosine of minus x. Let I be equal to integration of cosine of minus x with respect to x. As we know, the trigonometry identity cosine of minus x is equal to cosine of x. The video explaining how to derive this identity is appearing in the upper right corner. Also, the URL address of the video has been mentioned in the description section. So I is equal to integration of cosine of x with respect to x. As the antiderivative of cosine of x is sine of x, so integral of cosine of minus x is sine of x plus capital C. Capital C is the arbitrary constant of indefinite integral. Do not forget to add this constant in the end of any indefinite integration. Thank you for being with me. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe button. Do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Share the video and do write in the comments. I am eager to listen to your thoughts. If you have any question related to video, or if you think I should make a video on any topics in which you are interested, please write in the comments. Thank you.